Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you the easy method to change your username or store name on your eBay account. As you see guys, this method is very easy. Just follow these simple steps to change any username account on your eBay. As you see guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. First guys, open your eBay account. As you see guys, this is my eBay account. Then on the top and the left, just click on your account, then scroll down to account settings. Then guys, click on account settings, then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, there is three sections: activity, message and account. Then you need to click on account section, then scroll to personal information. Then guys, click on personal information. Then guys, on the top there is username, but there is a problem. The small problem is you can't change the username every day, because the eBay allow you to change your username or your eBay name one time in the month. As you see guys, it's mean every 30 days. As you see guys, I can't change my name because I have already changed it. Then I will change it in 12 on this month. Then guys, on the right side there is edit button. Then click on edit button, then you can easily change your username for the first time. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then if you want to change it again, just you need to wait until 30 days. Then guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.